preparing a spicy shrimp nacho with a fully prepared pico de gallo. And what we're going to do with our fresh pico de gallo, we're going to add a little diced mango. You can actually also add a papaya or grilled pineapple. Make any sorts of tropical salsa that you like. And to that, we'll add a little squeeze of lime, and at the end, some micro cilantro. So we're going to start making a little spicy shrimp pico de gallo nacho. Now, I promise you it does not get any easier than that. Fully prepared pico de gallo, fresh diced mango. Again, it can be pineapple, it can be papaya. A little squeeze of lime, and maybe a little more. Then we're gonna chop 3 shrimp, and 3 shrimp would make a perfect order for one customer. But because Brad and I are gonna have lunch today, we're gonna have more shrimp. This is as easy as it gets. I promise you, it's extremely delicious. For those of you that have tried it already, you know, and those of you that have not tried it, you must. Brad, I'll get a plate now, and we're gonna dish this one. So now that we have plated our nachos, beautifully clean the plate around, we're gonna finish it with a little chipotle finishing sauce. And a little bit of micro cilantro. And you have yourself a summery appetizer. You may also want to serve it with guacamole and extra chips. And you can find all of these items on a